The US dollar continues its downward trend. It may close the penultimate week of August with a loss of 1% or more. The outcome will largely depend on the signals the market receives today from Jerome Powell's speech. It's clear to everyone that the Fed will start cutting rates in September. However, there is a little information about the frequency and magnitude of these cuts. As for other news, it seems that the macroeconomic calendar at the end of August aligns with the mood of the holiday. At least there are few significant statistical reports scheduled for this period, but they do exist. So let us examine how the reports scheduled for the period from Monday to Wednesday, August 26-28, and may influence the balance of power in the major currency pairs. You are watching Traders Calendar. Most macroeconomic reports at the start of next week will reflect the situation in Germany. For example, on Monday, the business climate data will be released with a survey conducted by the Institute for Economic Research. A month ago, ITSE had admitted that the German economy was stuck in a crisis. Therefore, a further decline in the index to 86.9 points from 87 points would be another confirmation of the worsening business climate in Germany. The euro may react to this negative news with a decline. One more important macroeconomic report will be issued on Monday in the United States. The indicator determines the volume of orders for durable goods. The July report was a filler, recording a decline to minus 6.7% year-on-year, so the new forecast of plus 4% looks like a nearly revolutionary breakthrough. The US dollar should react to such a jump with a significant rise. Tuesday, August 27, is also marked by important reports from Germany and the United States. The German economy will report on the GDP growth rate. Following the previous quarter's growth of 0.2%, experts predict a decline to minus 0.1%. This means that the world's third largest economy is preparing to record its sixth quarter without GDP growth. Therefore, the euro should also brace for the retreat. However, the euro's exchange rate against the US dollar may well reverse within a few hours just after the publication of the housing price index. It's expected that US housing sector inflation will slow down. That's the price growth of 6.8% is anticipated to slacken to 6.5%. The euro bull's sentiment may turn around the next morning, and thus on a Wednesday, August 28, Germany will disclose its consumer climate data. Previously, the German economy had already noted a decline in consumer sentiment to minus 18.4 points. However, the next reading could slide even deeper into negative territory to around minus 22 points. A significant improvement in consumer sentiment requires sustained real income growth and more evidence that the economy is able to maintain its recovery path. So far, all these conditions do not seem to be in place. Therefore, the euro is likely to lose value amid such news. Please note that the publication time is set in a GMT plus 3. The next video review of the Traders Calendar will be issued on Wednesday, August 28. And we will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.